Has it ever occurred to you that music and mathematics share a profound bond? This connection is not just theoretical, but it's inherent in every piece of music we listen to, every note we play, and every rhythm we tap our feet to. Dive into the world of sound, which is essentially a form of energy that moves through the air in waves. These sound waves are defined by two main properties: frequency and amplitude. The frequency of a sound wave, measured in hertz, is the count of how many times a wave repeats itself in a second. This frequency determines the pitch or note of a sound. On the other hand, amplitude, measured in decibels, is the intensity or height of a wave, which decides the volume or loudness of a sound. Now consider the range of sounds that the human ear can perceive, which spans from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. However, the audible spectrum that most musical sounds fall within is divided into 12 equal intervals, known as semitones. Each of these semitones corresponds to a ratio of the 12th root of 2, approximately 1.0595. This mathematical relationship forms the basis of the notes we play and hear in music. The concept of intervals is another important aspect of music. These are the distances between notes in terms of semitones, and can be either consonant or dissonant. Consonant intervals, with their simple frequency ratios, sound pleasant and harmonious, while dissonant intervals with complex frequency ratios sound harsh and clashing. To better understand the relationship between notes and intervals, consider the circle of fifths. This diagram displays the 12 notes of the chromatic scale in a circle, with each note being a perfect fifth apart from its neighbors. This circle is a powerful tool to understand the concept of keys and scales in music. In music, a key is a set of notes that form the foundation of a musical piece. A scale, on the other hand, is a sequence of notes that belong to a key. The two main types of scales, major and minor, follow specific patterns of whole and half steps. To find a major or minor scale for any note on the circle of fifths, start from that note and go clockwise or counterclockwise, respectively, for 7 steps. To summarize, the abstract world of mathematics has a tangible presence in the realm of music. The precision of frequency and amplitude forms the basis of the sounds we hear. The mathematical relationship of semitones and intervals shapes the notes and harmonies in music. And the circle of fifths, guided by mathematical principles, helps us understand keys and scales. It's not just about understanding music, but about experiencing the harmony between mathematics and music. After all, music is the pleasure the human soul experiences from counting without being aware that it is counting.